The Department of Health has declared today that all government hospitals will be placed under Code White Alert starting this Friday. Joan Nano tells us why.
The Department of Health will be placing all government hospitals nationwide under Code White Alert starting on October 30 until November 3. This means that 100% of medical teams in hospitals are on standby for any medical emergencies. In line with this, Health Secretary Gerry reminds the public to avoid buying foods and drinks from ambulant vendors in cemeteries to prevent food poisoning and diarrhea. According to the Secretary, it is still better to bring own food to ensure that it is safe and clean to eat.
Sa darating na undas, maraming magbibenta ng pagkain sa labas ng atong ambulant peddlers. The safety of this cannot be ensured by the Department of Health. Yung baon siguraduhin hindi palis at siguraduhin yung basura hindi iniiwan sa sementeryo dahil pwede itong makadulot ng aksidente.
Aside from this, the Secretary also warned the public about the diseases that we might acquire in cemeteries like dengue and leptospirosis.
Punta doon at merong baha at na-expose sa tubig baha, maski konti na lang yon, ang pinapasukan po ng leptospirea ay yung ating gilid, in between the toes. Yung lamok po kasi sa sementeryo, dala rin po siya talaga ng basura. So nananawagan tayo sa ating kababayan, yung nagtitirik ng kandila tapos merong baso na lalagyan, baka pwedeng pagkatapos kunin na agad, no? Or itaob siya pabaliktad. Kasi maski tansan or takip ng bote, pinagpupugaran po yung.
The agency also reminds the public, if possible, it is better not to bring little children and even sick adults in cemeteries to avoid catching diseases and viruses in crowded places. Meanwhile, earlier today, DOH again provided insecticide-treated screens in Parang Elementary School as a part of anti-dengue campaign in communities. Based on the latest records of DOH, they have distributed a total of 20,000 rolls of said screens in different public schools nationwide, particularly in those areas with high record of dengue cases and provinces affected by Typhoon Lando. As of October 3, 2015, more than 100,000 dengue cases were recorded nationwide with more than 300 deaths. This is more than 31% higher compared to the same period last year. Because of this, DOH in cooperation with other government agencies are pushing programs to combat dengue in the country. Joan Nano reporting for YN News.